you need this much money to do Airbnb arbitrage. Everyone always asks me, how much does it take to get your very own Airbnb property up and running? And I'm going to share exactly how much it takes in this video here today. My name's Ryan Garnham, and I am building an Airbnb empire. I currently have 7 properties. 5 of them are arbitrage. 2 of them are co-hosting. And what's crazy is I have been building my business without owning any property at all. And I want to show you guys how to do that. All right, I get it. The big question is in your mind right now. How much money do I need to get my very first Airbnb arbitrage deal off the ground? So to get an Airbnb arbitrage deal off the ground, it typically takes us anywhere between $15,000 and $25,000 per property. And here's why. You can't just put a place up on Airbnb and expect to make money. You have to differentiate yourself. You have to be different. And guess what? If your place looks like trash, you're not going to get bookings and you're not going to make a profit. So let me show you one of our houses and how we stage our places and why the investment is worth the money. Okay, this is the front hallway. One of the things that we invest in a lot is art. And you'll notice that there is lots of art throughout this house. Next up is your living space. You want to make sure you have ample seating for the people and the amount of guests that you're going to have. And quick tip, you don't want to have a boring space. Make sure you have a TV in there and a place where people can gather and have fun together. You want to have a nice dining room table so people can feel like they're at home. Make sure you stage it nice. We spend quite a bit of money on our staging, as you can tell, but guess what? It makes it stand out. Now, believe it or not, one area where we will spend quite a bit of money is in the kitchen. And we typically will spend about $1,500 to $2,000 just on kitchen stuff. So we have our coffee bar, and you got my knives, microwave, and then all these cupboards are full, pots, pans, glasses, dishware, everything like that. Remember, you want to make your Airbnb a home away from home, right? And part of doing that is you have to invest the money and you have to make it feel homey. One of the ways that we do that is with art. And so you'll notice this house is literally full of art. We will spend anywhere between $1,500 and $2,000 a property on art. But why? Because it gives it a luxury feel and it makes it stand out from all the other listings, which means people will choose us and book us over other properties. Okay, so bedrooms. You don't want to cheap out on beds and on bedding. You want to make it have a hotel feel. For us, we do 2 nightstands, we do lamps, we do a piece of art above the bed, we do a throw pillow and a throw blanket. In addition to that, we have TVs in every single one of our guest rooms. Guess where else you have to spend some money when running an Airbnb, and that is bathroom stuff. Look at this. So you gotta make sure you're buying towels, you're buying face cloths, you're buying hand towels. You need to have all of that stuff. And then your bathrooms, again, you gotta have mats, floor mats, soaps. We do freebies in ours, right? And you want to decorate it nice so it feels like it's home. Now for me, I will spend a little bit more money in the master bedroom because I want the master to just have that luxury hotel vibe. So when the guest stays, and usually it's the main guest that's staying in the master, when they stay, they're like, oh man, that was an amazing experience. So I will always put a nice, big, huge piece of art above the master bed. Throw pillows, throw a blanket, duvet, lots of pillows. These are all things that you have to buy. And then also, I always put a 55-inch TV in every single one of our master bedrooms. And I put something where they can put their clothes in just to give it a nice, again, bedroom feel. So it starts to add up, right? When you start accounting for towels and sheets and blankets and pillows and TVs and couches and kitchen and dining room tables and staging, you need to account for all of these items. Now, lucky for you, I'm actually going to give that to you today. I'm going to put a link below where you guys can actually get our shopping list so you can easily see what you need to buy for each area of your house. And honestly, I could go on and on and on. You need to have cleaning supplies. If you have a big space, you're going to need things like games or arcades. Like there is so much that goes into it. So you want to make sure that you're methodically thinking about what you're going to put in that space and make sure that you are building a space that fits your avatar. So this house, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, costs approximately $20,000 to get up and running. But this property profits me around $2,500 a month. All right, so real quick, I want to share with you guys the Airbnb inventory checklist that we use every time that we are furnishing a new Airbnb. So as we jump in here, this checklist literally breaks down like every room. So the living room, the dining room, the kitchen, entire house, which is just like things that you need, for the entire house, the backyard, the master bedroom, bedroom 2, bedroom 3, and you could really put bedroom 4 there, master bath, the main bath, powder rooms, maintenance, everything that you need to get up and running with your Airbnb is on this checklist. And what you can do is, as you are buying, you can fill out where you got it. So maybe even if you got TV mounts, you can put links to Amazon so you can quickly buy things the next time that you go shopping. And so anyways, I'm going to give this to you guys for free. Use it as you need. It will be very helpful for you as you're furnishing your next property. Now, really quickly, there are ways that you can furnish it for less money. And one of those is shopping on places like Facebook Marketplace. And I do recommend doing that. The caution I have there is that it can take a while to get things done on Facebook Marketplace because you're always searching, you're trying to find things, and people tend to like to drag their feet on Marketplace. So if you're looking for speed, it's usually best to go to a furniture store. If you're looking to save some money, which again, if you're first starting out, I would recommend that go through Facebook Marketplace and other sites like that where you can find things cheaper. Liquidation stores are great too. They're all amazing places for you to shop and save money on your first listing. All right, that's it for this video. If you haven't done so already, please like this video, subscribe to the channel. I hope you learned something today. I am on a mission to help as many people as I can quit their 9-to-5 job, replace their income, and start living a life of their dreams.